Robotics for Kids and Teens, brought to you by Abhinav Computers. Secret of Sweet Success. Mini robots, all-terrain robotic car, remote controlled robotic car, Bluetooth controlled robotic car, robotic arm, automatic railway gate project developed by our student, 4-wheel and 2-wheel drive chassis, robotic cars and chassis. Our student Rachit with his kit, our student Sarthak with his kit, student of Robo Starter, our young student Adi with his own assembled robotic car, one of our most brilliant students Sean with his kit, Adi with his certificate of appreciation, C, C++, Java, Python for engineering and polytechnic students, Abhinav Computers providing quality education from last 30 years. Abhinav Computers, plot number 4, Gandhinagar, Nagpur 10. For free demo class, WhatsApp Robo on 9403 119940.